Gator Pit, Texas, Rich Robin here. We are going to go through a couple of, I guess, unique cookers. I'm not sure if there's anything like this out there or not. I don't know. Haven't looked, but these are pretty damn cool. I will say that. So we've got some backyard classic chefs that are models on my website at gatorpit.net. So go check out gatorpit.net and you'll see our models on there. But anyway, let me get into this one right here. This is the backyard classic chef. That is the pellet version. Normally it would have an offset firebox on it, just like this one here, which is also a backyard classic chef, but it's got a unique design to it as well that we did for the customer. So if you look at that right there, minus the hopper, you've got a backyard classic chef with some customizations added to it. This customer removed the firebox and went with just the pellet. So let's get into it. So you've got the backyard classic chef, which is on my website at gatorpit.net with all its features. There's also videos of that backyard classic chef. Let's get into this one with being a pellet though. So you've got the Pellet Pro, Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro hopper on there with a PID controller, your pellet dump. Inside all your accessories for the pellet coming there with your meat thermometer. And then down there your auger. In the bottom of the hopper, your stainless steel upgrades, all that good stuff, right? Probe port. Inside, you've got your standard backyard classic chef features, but getting into the pellet part where you got your grease pan, which is sloped towards your drain, and then below that you've got your heat shield and you got your auger tube and then your fire pot back up in there, right? There we go. So this is the pellet version of our backyard classic chef, and I'm doing all this with one hand, so it's I guess it's kind of impressive. It kind of shows you how easy it is, right? Because I did it all with one hand holding the phone. And you've got your backyard classic chef features in the vertical box over here as well. 4 slide racks are standard, 2 slide racks are standard. Again, this is a standard backyard classic chef, but the customer opted and did a pellet version of the backyard classic chef. And there you go. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Adjustable smokestacks, all the good stuff that Gator Pit's known for as far as their custom quality, right? Look at that. Custom quality. Close it up. We're about to get some rain. Let's get over here and look at this one. Same thing, but it's a little unique. It's got the offset stick burner. Same thing inside, but it's got 2 stacks. And there's your pellet. That pellet feeds this. This gets shut off. And now you've got a pellet or stick burner separated from your pellet side, or you can open it up and have both.